Hi, my name is Tom Beach. I'm from Cardiff University. Cardiff University is a research-centric university based in Cardiff, South Wales, which is in the UK. Our first role in the Accord project is we're leading the landscape review. The landscape review is all about ensuring that all the technology, all the work done by the project is based on a sound understanding of both academic and commercial state-of-the-art technologies, but also on industry views. To achieve this, we're conducting a survey of academic literature, existing industry software, and an actual questionnaire of various representatives from the industry across the whole EU. One of our other roles is we're in charge of developing the Accord methodology, which is a methodology that enables you to go from a normal set of guidance documents for the building permitting process in a PDF or something like that, to a digitized document that enables not only digitized building permitting, but automatic compliance checking.